Today I'm going to show you how I make the Gardein crispy tenders in the air fryer because they work a million times better in the air fryer than they do in the skillet. But here's the thing, my air fryer has this basket and it doesn't, I find when I do the chicken tenders in that, it doesn't work that good, and I don't care for the baking paper and the chicken tenders together. So I use this. This is my tart pan. So I just take the bottom out. This is a non-stick. And I place it inside like that. Go in 400F, 200C, and I will let you know the bake time when I'm done. A quick clarification, I said skillet earlier, I meant the big oven. So I like these Gardein crispy tenders better in the air fryer than I do the big oven. We're at 6 minutes in. I'm gonna flip these guys over, see if I can do it with the camera there. Just be really delicate with it. Oh, it looks like I can touch them. There we go. Back in the air fryer. That's 4 minutes more, so a total time of 10 minutes. And this is the part that really makes it good on top of the air fryer. And that's letting them rest on a cooling rack for a little bit. They taste so much better. We love it. We just let them rest and they get like room temperature-ish, or just before that or just after that. I don't know, but this is how we like it. So that is how I make the Gardein chicken tenders in the air fryer. They're absolutely fantastic this way. Crisp up so good. That's it, guys. See you next time. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thanks for watching. You know how hard it is not to eat one of these while I'm shooting film? It's very difficult.